welcome to the Tata IPL 2026 player auction. We hope to have a very exciting afternoon ahead. We will go through a round of capped players and then a round of uncapped players. In the batter category is number 5. This is David Miller from South Africa. Let's open at a bid of 2 crore, please. Thank you so much. Delhi Capitals gets us going at 2 crore, straight ahead of me. Welcome. All done? Sold for you at 2 crore. Thank you. This is Cameron Green from Australia. An opening bid of 2 crore, please. Thank you. Mumbai Indians comes in at 2 crore. 2 crore 20, Rajasthan Royals. 240, Mumbai Indians. 2 crore 60, Rajasthan Royals at 2 crore 60. Thank you. Welcome KKR. 2 crore 80. Thank you. Up front at 3 with the Royals. 520, say KKR. 7 crore with the Royals. 10 crore back with Kolkata. 11 crore Rajasthan. 1360 for the Knight Riders. Done. The Royals are out. Do we have any other team? Welcome Chennai. 1380. 14 crore, say Kolkata. 15 crore, CSK. At 1920 now, Kolkata bids. 1980 from the Super Kings. 20 crore on my right. 21 crore 40. Thank you. 23 crore and 20 lakh, say Kolkata. 2340. 2480 for the Knight Riders. And 25 crore it is on my left. 2520, thank you sir. Kolkata's in at 2520. Done. At 25 crore and 20 lakh, Chennai is out. Cameron Green to the Kolkata Knight Riders at 25 crore and 20 lakh. Congratulations. We will move now to set number 2, which is our capped all-rounders. Number 8 will be our next player. This is Wanindu Hasaranga from Sri Lanka. The first with the Sri Lankans at 2 crore. Thank you, Lucknow Super Giants. Welcome at 2 crore. The bid is with the Super Giants. That's for you, LSG, at 2 crore. Sold. Next player up is going to be number 10. This is Venkatesh Iyer at 2 crore. Any paddle coming in at all? Thank you, LSG. 2 crore is bid up front. 260 is with the Gujarat Titans. 3 crore, welcome RCB. And selling in the center, 360, KKR comes in. 5 crore, say Bengaluru at 5. 560, say Kolkata. 7 crore, straight back from RCB. Done. At 7 crore, KKR is out and selling for Bangalore at 7 crore. Venkatesh Iyer sold to RCB. Next up, we move to number 17. This is Quinton de Kock from South Africa. Thank you, Mumbai Indians. At 1 crore, I have far back of the room. Sold to the Mumbai Indians, 1 crore. Our next wicketkeeper is going to be number 18. This is Ben Duckett. And let's open again at 2 crore, please. Thank you, Delhi. 2 crore, Delhi has bid. Ben Duckett at 2 crore. Sold to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. The last of our wicketkeepers is going to be number 14. This is Finn Allen from New Zealand. Finn Allen. And let's open at 2 crore, please, for Finn Allen. Thank you so much. KKR has come in at 2. And selling for the Kolkata Knight Riders. KKR sold to you at 2 crore. We will continue with our cap sets, and this is our fast bowlers that we have coming up next. Number 23 is next. This is Jacob Duffy from New Zealand. Thank you, RCB. 2 crore it is at 2 crore. RCB sold to you for 2 crore. Next up will be 29. This is Matisha Patirana from Sri Lanka. Thank you so much. Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. I see a bid there. 260 for LSG. 4 crore Delhi. 420 Lucknow. 760 for Delhi. 780 for the Super Giants. 880 Delhi Capitals. 9 crore Lucknow. 1120 for Delhi. 1140 for Lucknow. 1560, Delhi comes back. 16 crore, Kolkata comes into the fray at 16 crore. 1620, LSG. 18 crore, Kolkata Knight Riders. Done. At 18 crore, LSG is out. Last chance. At 18 crore, sold. at 18 crore. Thank you so much. Number 28 is next. This is Andrik Notia from South Africa. Up front at 2, Lucknow has bid at 2 crore. For you, Lucknow at 2 crore. Move on to the spin bowlers. This is Ravi Bishnoi, also from India. Thank you. Indeed I do. Rajasthan Royals, 2 crore 20. Say Chennai Super Kings. Thank you. 320. Thank you, sir. Rajasthan Royals, 340. 5 crore CSK rounds it up. SRH comes in 620. At 720. Rajasthan Royals is back at 720. 7 crore 20, they're out. I am selling to the Rajasthan Royals. Ravi Bishnoi is their newest player. Sold for the Rajasthan Royals at 7 crore 20. And the last of our spin bowlers, this is Akil Hussain from the West Indies. Thank you, CSK. 2 crore is bid. Sold, CSK. That player is yours. Akil Hussain at 2 crore. This is the uncapped all-rounders. It's going to be number 41. This is Akib Dar at 30 lakh. Thank you, Delhi. Last chance if anybody else. Thank you so much, Royals. At 35 lakh, Royals have bid. 40 goes back to Delhi. Thank you, RCB. 1 crore 10, 120 straight back to Delhi. 1 crore 90 RCB, 2 crore Delhi. SRH comes in, 2 crore 20. At 2 crore 20, 240 straight back to the Capitals. And 20 Hyderabad. 440 for Delhi. 7 crore it is for Sunrisers Hyderabad. 840. Say the Delhi Capitals now at 8 crore 40 lakh. Hyderabad is done. Sold for you, Delhi. Akidar at 8 crore 40. Thank you. We continue with the uncapped all-rounders. This is number 50, Prashant Veer. 30 lakh bid. Thank you, LSG at 30 lakh. 35 lakh comes in Mumbai Indians. 1 crore for Lucknow. 1 crore 10. 1 crore 50 CSK. 2 crore for Lucknow. 340 Chennai. 480 Royals have come back at 480. 660 Chennai comes straight back. 720 SRH. 940 Chennai. 960 Hyderabad comes straight back. 12 crore 20 Chennai's bid. 1240 say Hyderabad. 1420 for Chennai. Prashant Veer to the Chennai Super Kings. We are selling at 1420. Sold. Congratulations at 1420. Next player up is number 55. This is Karthik Sharma, number 55. At 30 lakh, do I have a paddle in the room? Do I have a team? Thank you, Mumbai. KKR comes in at 50. 1 crore 10 to the Super Giants. 2 crore 80 for the Knight Riders. 660 with the Super Kings. 8 crore for Kolkata. 1180 CSK's bid. 12 crore 80. Thank you, Knight Riders. SRH says wait. 1320. 1380 CSK. 14 crore for SRH. 1420 for Chennai. Done at 14 crore and 20 lakh. Now with the Super Kings, 14 crore and 20 lakh. Sold. Congratulations to CSK. Mukul Chaudhary. And let's open at 30 lakh, please, for Mukul Chaudhary. Thank you. Rajasthan Royals comes in at 30. 45 lakh for the Mumbai Indians. 90 lakh back with the Royals. 130 is LSG. 1 crore 80. Rajasthan's back at 180. 2 crore 60, say the Super Giants. Done. Going to LSG then at 2 crore and 60 lakh. Sold. Number 56 is next. This is Tejasvi Singh, number 56. Right off the bat at 30 lakh for Mumbai. 55 for KKR, Mumbai at 60. 1 crore for the Royals. 150 Kolkata. 2 crore is Rajasthan. 3 crore, Knight Riders round that up. All done then. For you at 3 crore, Tejasvi Singh. Thank you. Starting off our uncapped fast bowlers. Number 60, this is Ashok Sharma, number 60. Thank you, KKR comes in. I saw the KKR first. 35 goes to CSK. 55 for the Royals. 80 lakh for Gujarat. 85, Kolkata comes back. 90 for the Titans. Titans, that's yours at 90 lakh. Number 62 is Naman Tiwari. Thank you, Delhi. 30 I've seen. 55. Thank you, Rajasthan Royals at 55. 60 goes back to the Super Giants. 95 for the Royals. 1 crore for Lucknow. The Royals say no. At 1 crore then with the Lucknow Super Giants. For you, LSG at 1 crore. Sushant Mishra, number 59. Thank you, Rajasthan Royals. I saw that ahead of you, Delhi. 35 is Delhi. 50 lakh, say the Royals. 65. 90 lakh, Rajasthan. At 90 lakh, Sushant Mishra goes to the Rajasthan Royals at 90 lakh. We've got our accelerated round 1 now. Our next player up is going to be Patham Nisanka from Sri Lanka. 75 lakh with the Knight Riders. 1 crore, say Delhi. 1 crore 50 KKR. 2 crore 40 Delhi. 380 for KKR. 4 crore, Delhi comes straight back. At 4 crore, Delhi, that's for you at 4 crore. Patham Nisanka, thank you. This is Jason Holder from the West Indies, the all-rounder from the West Indies. Thank you, CSK. At 2 crore, I have the Chennai Super Kings coming in. 3 crore is up front with the Titans at 3. 320 for CSK. Thank you, sir. The Titans have bid 4 crore 20. 640, thank you, sir. 7 crore for the Gujarat Titans. Done. At 7 crore, then CSK is out. Up front for you at 7. This is Mustafizur Rahman from Bangladesh. Thank you, Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. 3 crore Chennai. 4 crore for Delhi, thank you. 5 crore for the Super Kings. 680 KKR. 780. Thank you, Super Kings. 840, thank you, sir. 860 and 20 for KKR. 920 with KKR. Done? Done. At 9 crore and 20 lakh, KKR, Mustafizur Rahman is yours. This is Akshat Raghuvanshi, 115. 30, SRH comes straight in. 55. 1 crore 40, Sunrisers. 190, Lucknow. 2 crore for the Sunrisers. 220, Lucknow. Done. It's yours at 2 crore 20 lakh, Akshat Raghuvanshi, 2 LSG. This is Mangesh Yadav from India. Thank you, RCB. Right away, 30 lakh is bid. 65, SRH. 20 say RCB, 130 say SRH. 240 RCB. 380. 5 crore 20, Royal Challengers bid. Hyderabad are thinking. Done. 5 crore and 20 lakh. CB, that's yours at 5 crore 20. 127 will be our next player. This is Salil Arora, the wicket keeper. At 30 lakh, Mumbai has bid. 65 Hyderabad. 70 Mumbai. 110 Hyderabad. 140 Mumbai. 150. All done. Ahead of everybody else at 1 crore and 50 lakh. SRH, that's your player at 1 crore 50. This is Cooper Connolly, the Australian player, the Australian all-rounder. At 2 crore now I have with KKR at 2. 220, Punjab Kings comes in. 280, back with the Knight Riders now. And 3 crore for the Punjab Kings. Done. At 3 crore, it's with the Punjab Kings. For you, the Punjab Kings, Cooper Connolly at 3 crore. This is Liam Livingston, the all-rounder from England. At 2 crore, thank you KKR at 2 crore. 3 crore for the Sunrisers. 360, say the Titans. 4 crore 40, LSG has come in. 580 for Hyderabad. 6 crore for the Super Giants. 660 Hyderabad, 680 Super Giants. 7 crore Hyderabad. 720 Super Giants. 940 Hyderabad, 960 Lucknow, 980 Hyderabad, 10 Lucknow, 1260 Sunrisers, 1280 Lucknow, 13 crore is Hyderabad at 13 crore. That's what can you do, right? At 13 crore. And selling to the Sunrisers, Hyderabad at 13 crore. Sold Liam Livingston to the Sunrisers at 13 crore. Next up is going to be number 31. This is Rahul Chahar. Thank you, CSK, I do. At 1 crore, the bid is on my left. 1 crore 30, say Punjab. 160 for the Super Kings. Punjab Kings is 260. 4 crore for the Super Kings. 4 crore 60, say Punjab. 520 for CSK. All done at 5 crore and 20 lakh on my left at 520. Sold Rahul Chahar at 5 crore and 20 lakh to the Chennai Super Kings. Thank you. This is Ben Dwarshes from Australia, the all-rounder. At 1 crore, thank you Punjab Kings, I saw that first. 1 crore 10, Chennai. 160 for Punjab. 2 crore and 20 lakh, Chennai Super Kings. 3 crore 20 for the Punjab Kings. That's done at 3 crore 20 now. 340, Titans come in. 440, Punjab. All done then and selling for the Punjab Kings at 4 crore and 40 lakh. Sold for you at 440. Thank you. This is Josh Inglis, the Australian wicketkeeper. At 2 crore, SRH comes in. Thank you at 2 crore. 3 crore for Lucknow. 320. 420 for LSG. SRH comes back at 560. Lucknow straight back at 580. 680 Hyderabad. 780 Lucknow. 840 is Hyderabad. And 860 is Lucknow. At 8 crore 60. Hyderabad is out at 8 crore and 60 lakh. Josh Inglis goes to you at 8 crore 60. Is our next player up. This is Jack Edwards from Australia. At 50 lakh I have with Chennai. 75 for Gujarat. 1 crore for CSK. 150 Titans. 1 crore 80 for Chennai. 220 for the Sunrisers. 3 crore is with the Sunrisers. At 3 crore now with the Sunrisers. Chennai is out at 3 crore. At 3 crore. Jack Edwards for Sunrisers Hyderabad at 3 crore. This is Adam Milne from New Zealand, the bowler from New Zealand. 2 crore. Do I have a bid? Thank you, Rajasthan. I do. At 2 crore 20, Delhi's bid. 240 for Rajasthan. At 2 crore and 40 lakh, Rajasthan's bid. All done at 240. Thank you, Rajasthan Royals. Adam Milne goes to you. Kyle Jamieson will indeed be the last player today, the New Zealand bowler. And let's open at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, the only team that's coming in, Delhi Capitals. And Kyle Jamieson selling to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. Sold. Thank you all very much. Thank you to all our fans. And wish you a wonderful season.